As you can see, since beginning of the year, dollar was almost flat, neither up neither down, just sideways, and no big change. And entire year, if you remember everything, then that was soft landing and recession. But now, because of last week FOMC, because of big political change last week, recession is completely cancelled this year. Now we are in soft landing, and market is pricing more rate cut than Fed. Because of that, dollar is weak, and first major support level is 100, and dollar was bullish until FOMC meeting, and just few hours after PPI they changed everything and killed bullish dollar trade. But that vertical movement came after FOMC meeting. You can say dollar is now crossing limit, because more it goes below 102, more FOMC will do magical thing. And you have seen trailer on Friday with Fed William comment. And like I said last week, after FOMC meeting we will decide now dollar will go up or down and why. Since many rate cut I think will be priced out. Rate cut mean bearish dollar. January and at least 50 basis point March rate cut may be replaced by 25. Because of that, I am expecting bullish dollar. And if you see intraday chart like H4 and you see this chart pattern inverted head and shoulder invalid on their new ACP. So this neckline of that fake inverted head and shoulder chart pattern 103 is your first big resistance, and I am expecting correction up to 103, or if it goes down 101 last week low, then you will buy again but target 103. Now if you see Euro USD H4, then this is your double top. Even before first high when price was testing 61% retracement, I was bearish on euro dollar. Now I am bearish again, and I think it will retest 107 level. It will not stop before that. And if you compare dollar index and euro dollar chart, then they are inverted chart, just copy paste. Dixie made new low, but euro dollar just making double top. And this was pure fundamental, pure macro trade, not technical. If you see these two currency and central bank behind these currency, then Fed was dovish, everybody know, but ECB was hawkish. So euro was strong and dollar was weak. That's why that make new low, but euro dollar only made double top. And interesting thing which everyone is ignoring and nobody talking about that, since we are trading most popular currency pair, we are speculating on two big central bank. Question is who will cut interest rate first, Fed or ECB? I think both had made clear in 1 week Fed will cut first, then ECB. GBPUSD, same like dollar and euro. We were bearish from 1.27 level until FOMC meeting. All seller killed in 1 day. Now we are bearish again on GBPUSD. It is not making perfect double top like euro dollar. We are bearish on GBPUSD and we expect this pair going back to 125. But till then you can keep selling on retracement. You can join again if you missed 128 level, but target 125. USD JPY intraday chart after this double top since that CPI video, it is constantly going down, making lower low with lower high. A clear technical downtrend. But now at 142, everyone know why this pair is going down. So same like Fed last week, this week you have BOJ monetary policy, full macro trade, no place for technical trader. If this gives signal for early exit from negative interest rate, then it will go down more. Or if they did same like Fed last week, then they can kill all the seller in one candlestick. So this turn on daily chart from 151 level was major turn, and like I said in last video, breakout of lower trend line, counter trend correction, retest of trend line, now making lower low. So that was only trade breakout retest low complete. Now wait for next chart pattern and BOJ monetary policy decision this week. Then we will decide what will be next intraday trade. But still you have more clear support and resistance. 144, 138. USDCAD daily time frame. You can see clear support and resistance. And finally, because of weak dollar, price is testing 133 horizontal support. And since we are bullish dollar for next 2 weeks, we are expecting counter trend correction from this level, and let's see how high this pair goes. But next big resistance is 136. If this week it goes down below 133, then you can buy and trade counter trend correction. If you see CAD JPY daily time frame, then same thing is here, crystal clear horizontal support and resistance. And since this pair has JPY and you have BOJ monetary policy decision this week, you can expect big price action this week. And in fourth attempt, it break out 108 support level, retested, and now trying to make new lower low. But you have clear support and resistance. On correction, you can sell again. But for new entry, wait for clear breakout of 104 level. You can see strong trend line on GBP JPY daily time frame. So this is your big dynamic support level. Wait for breakout of trend line. On retest you will sell and target 172. Since we are bearish on GBPUSD, and if BOJ sounds hawkish this week, then this pair can go down. But for new selling entry, wait for breakout of trend line. If it goes up, then you can sell counter trend correction. That's mean few retracement. But downside target is only 172. Silver daily chart after a big vertical line, it made vertical correction. So this is counter trend correction and it can retest again big horizontal support level 22.24. Bitcoin daily time frame, it is up WXY wave 100% projection. This is profit taking or trend reversal have begun. It depends on future price action. But you can see buyer's power is decreasing above 4476, and this is happening because when famous FOMC member Kaskari said something about QE on 15 October, since then it is going up. And now last week Fed chair is saying something about QE, and at the same time you can see profit taking in Bitcoin. So this is your buy the rumor, sell the news trade. Profit taking has begun on official announcement when Fed say we are stopping QT, then this can go down in big way. News company have different explanation for everything, but for me it is Fed QT comment. They gave a small hint that QT will end soon. It went up. On second signal, it is going down. On final clear official announcement, you can expect Bitcoin going down, maybe in vertical line. All the explanation for Bitcoin going up except QT is just propaganda and nothing else. And you can see weekly time frame, since Kaskai said something, almost each weekly candlestick was blue. Each week there was FOMO buying in Bitcoin. But last week Jimmy Dimon was negative and you have red weekly candlestick. This is happening maybe first time, because in past every time diamond says something negative, Bitcoin goes in opposite direction. This is happening first time. And all of those inverse news trader are gone. So I recommend you to use your creativity, not following that inverse news rule, because time to time they explode all the news trader. So this entire area from 42 to 48,555 is profit taking, and this is happening. And watch carefully, this can be your Peller channel. Upper and lower trend line has been tested many times, and you can see it is making one more Peller channel. First you have on daily time frame, second on you have on H4 time frame. So as long as price trading below $80 on H4 inside a Peller channel, we are bearish in oil, because hard landing is confirmed 100% in 2025. Anything in financial market has to confirm that thing. Let's see which will be first. SP 500 daily chart. Soft landing means there is no difference between 5% interest rate and 0% interest rate. If economy can survive 5% interest rate, then Fed can easily cut and economy can survive without 0% interest rate. That's why it is flying almost in vertical line. Big blue candlestick after FOMC meeting, almost testing new all-time high, and big level will be 5,000. It is psychological level and stocks are trading in bubble mode. But first support is still 4600, and next 30 days for SP 500 are very interesting. Either it stays sideways, retest support, or fly to 5,000 level, but it is have only next 30 days. You can see NASDAQ, it is almost making new all-time high, flying breakout of trend line. And if you see Dow Jones Industrial Average, then officially it has made new all-time high. So believe it not, but soft landing is happening right now. And for the support, this trend line breakout in fifth attempt, this is your next big dynamic support level.